Dear friends, in this video, I will cover employment newspaper in English. Dear friends, I'm Mahinder Singh. I welcome all of you to my official YouTube channel, Government Naukri Latest News. So friends, let's start the employment news in details. Employment News Weekly. New Delhi, 29 May 2021 to 4 June 2021. Employment opportunities in the Indian renewable energy sector. Career as molecular and cell biologist. Friends, due to technical error and my microphone is not working due to some maybe changes in the voice, please bear it. I'm sorry for that. Career as a molecular and cell biologist. Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited, advertisement number 04/2021. Recruitment notice, extension of date, last date of our online registration for 23rd July 2021. Tentative date for computer based test yani CBT September or October 2021. Sant Longewal Institute of Engineering and Technology, deemed to be university under Ministry of Education. Recruitment notice for the name of the post, registrar, number of post 1, medical officer, female, 01, OBC. Last date of receipt of application form along with all enclosure application fees is by 5 July 2021. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Directorate of Forest Education, extension of vacancy circulation on deputation basis. Official website www.dfe.gov.in for more details. Central Sanskrit University established by Act of Parliament. Notice: Shiksha Shastri B.Ed, Shiksha Acharya M.Ed and Vidyarthi PhD entrance test 2021. Last date for application is 5th July 2021. Official website www.sanskrit.nic.in. NBCC India Limited, a Government of India enterprises. Advertisement number 08/2021. 2021. Posts are for scale and pay Chief General Manager Engineering Civil. Upper age limit is 57 years. The date of for 29 May 2021 to 28 June 2021. Opening date for online registration 29 May 2021. Closing date for online application 28 June 2021. Last date of issuing hard copy of application form 5 July 2021 up to 1700 hours. Official website www.nbccindia.in for more details. Macon Limited opportunity to utilize your experience for the post of operation and maintenance and OM. For post, our details are at all levels. Last date of receipt application @Macon within 21 days of publication of the advertisement. For more details, visit www.maconlimited.co.in/job.aspx. Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Reference advertisement number published in the Employment News 3 to 9 April 2021 for one post of Director in Level 13 of 7 CPC. Last date of submission application is extended till 16 June 2021. Official website for more details www.beedindia.gov.in. National Minorities Development and Finance Corporation. Advertise number nmdfc.recruit.2021/01. Designation for the post required General Manager, Common Management Service, Deputy General Manager, Assistant General Manager for Common Management Service. Number of vacancy 1 each post. The last date of application of receipt is 20 July 2021. For more details, you can visit official website www.nmdfc.org. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gorakhpur University, Gorakhpur. Advertisement for the post for teaching and non-teaching post. One line applications are invited from interested candidate for the vacant post for Professor 23, Associate Professor 50, Assistant Professor 44, Librarian 1, Deputy Librarian 1, Doctor 2, Engineer in the Civil or Electrical के लिए 1, Programmer 1 and Junior Engineer Civil या Electrical 3 and Assistant Librarian 1, Administration Officer 2, Cataloger 1, Junior Assistant 3 in Mahayogi Guru Sri Gorakhnath Sodhpit. Online application are also invited for Assistant Professor 14, temporary for Information Technology. Date of receipt of application in the office is by 30 June 2021. For more details, you can visit official website www.ddug.ac.in. National Institute of Science and Education Research, Bhubaneswar. Advertisement number FArecruitment.na.G202-2021. Closing date 10 June 2021 for the post of Scientific Officer D Medical Physics. Vacancy 1 unreserved, Scientific Officer D Physics 3 unreserved, Scientific Officer C Electronics 1 unreserved, Scientific Officer C Medical Physics and Radiology, Radiation Biology and Nuclear Medicine 1 unreserved. The last date of receipt of application by 10 June 2021. For more details, you can visit official website www.niscr.ac.in. Friends, due to technical glitches, my microphone is not working, so I am recording by mobile phone only. So please bear it. National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration. Recruitment to the post of Finance Officer. Inviting online application. Number of posts 1. Classifications Group A. Scale Level 11. Last date of receipt of application for the post of Finance Officer. Maybe visit your official website for more details www.niepa.ac.in and remain open up to 23 June 2021 till 5 p.m. National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency. Name of the post with pay level Assistant Director Finance and Assistant Level 11. Number of the post 2. Senior Consultant. Number of post 2. Consultant Rajbhasha. Number of post 1. Interns. Number of post 13. Last date of receipt of application is by 18 June 2021. For more details, please visit official website www.pmgsy.nic.in. National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited. Vacancy notification for the post of Cyber Security Expert. Number of posts 2. Database Expert. Number of post 1 unreserved. Web Developer. Number of post 1 unreserved. Senior Web Developer 1 unreserved. Senior Mobile App Developer 1 unreserved. PSD System Developer. Number of post 1 unreserved. Last date of receipt of application will be 20 days from the date of issue of vacancy notification or as mentioned in the detailed vacancy in NCERT website. Employees State Insurance Corporation. Applications are invited for 4 vacancies in the cadre of Superintending Engineer Civil pay level 4. Last date of receipt of this application within the 19 days from its application in Employment News. Continue from page number 8. Indian Institute of Geomagnetism. Applications are invited for the post of Registrar 1 unreserved. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Food and Public Distribution, extension of last date of application for the post of member WDRD. 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement, employment news Rozgar Samachar is extended. National Disaster Management Authority. Applications are invited for the post of Project Coordinator ERSS Grade 1. Post in nature, contractual basis, number of vacancies 1. Official website www.ndma.gov.in. Department of Water Resources RD and GR. Applications are invited from eligible officers for filling the post of Executive Director Technical National Mission on Clean Ganga. Official website www.mowr.gov.in or www.nmcg.nic.in. Last date of application receipt is 45 days from the date of publication in the advertisement in Employment News. Shainik School, Nalanda. Applications are invited for the post of General Employees Sweeper contractual basis. PEM, PTI cum matron reserved for female contractual. Application for the last date is last date of receipt of application is 11 June 2021. National Water Development Agency. Advertisement number 09/2021. Applications are invited for the post of Account Officer, number of post 1, Junior Accounts Officer, number of post 3. Official website www. Date of last receipt of application is 60 days from the date of application and publication of this advertisement in Employment News. National Company Law Tribunal. Applications are invited. Vacancy notice for the post of Deputy Registrar, number of post 8, pay level 12, Registrar Assistant, number of post 4, pay level 11, date of last received application by 30 June 2021. For more details, visit official website http://ncit.gov.in. All India Institute of Medical Science AIMS, Kalyani. Vacancy notice for deputation, name of the post, medical superintendent, transfer on deputation, finance advisor on transfer on deputation basis. Date of last application received by 30 days after publication of this advertisement in the Employment News. For more details, visit official website http://aiimskalyani.edu.in. भारतीय प्रबंध संस्थान विशाखापट्टनम, Indian Institute of Management Visakhapatnam. Applications are invited for non-teaching staff on contract basis for Program Manager Educational Consulting and Training Program 1, State Resource Associate SRA, number of positions 3. Date of last submission of application is 10 June 2021. For more details, visit official website www.iimmv.ac.in careers. Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur. Recruitment for various non-teaching position. Online application are invited. That is last date for receipt is 11 May 2021 to 30th May 2021. Now date has been extended to 10 June 2021. For more details, visit official website www.iitj.ac.in. Indian Statistical Institute. Advertisement number recruitment 5 2021. Re-advertisement those who applied earliest against advertisement number that is 07 2021 for KOL dated 18 July 2021 need not to apply. That is the post for Deputy Chief Executive Administration Officer B. Date of last date receipt is 45 days from the date of publication in the notice. For more details, visit official website www.isicl.ac.in. National Geological Park, Mathura Road, New Delhi. Applications are invited for one post for Administrative Officer for National Geological Park, New Delhi. Last date for receipt application 45 days from publication of this advertisement. Serious Fraud Investigation Office. Applications are invited for the category of post Joint and Additional Director Investigation. Number of post 3. Last date of receipt application 60 days from the publication of this advertisement. Official website www.slio.nic.in or www.mca.gov.in for more details. Warehousing Development and Regulator Authority, Government of India. Application are invited for the post of Deputy Director, number of vacancy 2, Principal Private Secretary, number of post 1, Admin Assistant Director Information Technology, that is IT, number of post 1, Assistant Human Resource yani HR, number of post 1. Date of receipt last application 5 July 2021. Ministry of Ayush. Advertisement for the post of Deputy Drug Controller for Ayush, Ministry of Ayush. Last date for receipt this application 60 days from the date of applications. For more details, visit its official website www.ayush.nic.gov.in. Ministry of Ayush. Advertisement for the post of Assistant Drug Controller, Ministry of Ayush. For last date of receipt application 60 days from the date of applications. For more details, visit www.ayush.gov.in. Hindustan Copper Limited. Recruitment for non-executive cadre at Malan Jagand Copper Project. Number of post and name of the post for grade electrician grade 2 post 20, electrician cum lineman grade 2, number of post 1 unreserved. Date of last received application by 1st June 2021. Official website www.hindustancopper.com for more details. LGB रीजनल इंस्टीट्यूट यानी लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बर्दले क्षेत्रीय मानसिक स्वास्थ्य संस्थान ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ. असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर साइकेट्रिक पोस्ट आर LGB रीजनल इंस्टीट्यूट मेंटल हेल्थ यानी लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बर्दले क्षेत्रीय मानसिक स्वास्थ्य संतुलन. एप्लीकेशन आर इन्वाइटेड फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर साइकेट्री. Date of receipt last application is 7 June 2021. For more details, you can visit official website www.lgbrimh.gov.in. Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education Research circular filling of 4 posts for accountant in Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, New Delhi on deputation basis. Last date of receipt application 45 days from the advertisement in the employment news. For more details, you can visit official website www.rmlh.nic.in. Indian Medicine Pharmaceuticals Corporation Limited, Government of India Enterprises. Appointments. Posts are invited for General Manager Plant 1, Unreserved Assistant General Manager Marketing 1, Deputy Manager Production number post 2, Assistant Manager Production number of post 3. Last date of receipt 30 June 2021. You may visit official website www.impcimmohanart.nic.in. Recruitment. Defense Research and DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Application are invited for the post of Chief Security Officer and Security Officer in DRDO, Ministry of Defense on deputation basis for short term or re-employed basis. Name of the post Chief Security Officer, pay level 11, number of post 2, Security Officer grade B, gazetted non-ministerial, number of post 15, pay level 7. Last date of receipt application is 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare PMSSY Division. Advertisement for the post of Executive Director in each AIIMS at Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Patna, Rishikesh, Guwahati and Jammu and Kashmir and Darbhanga, Bihar. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Name of the post Advisor. Official website www.trai.gov.in. Last date of receipt application 10 June 2021. Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Vacancy notice advertisement number 02/2021. Opening date of application 25th May 2021. Closing date of application 24 June 2021. Name of the post trained graduate teachers Hindi female. Trained graduate teacher Hindi male. Trained graduate teachers Natural Science male. Trained graduate teachers Natural Science female. Trained graduate teachers math. Trained graduate teachers math male. Social science male. Social science female. Bengali male, assistant teacher primary, assistant teacher nursery, junior secretariat assistant LDC, counselor, head clerk, assistant teacher primary and Patwari. Last date of receipt application 24 June 2021. Official website www.dssb.delhi.gov.in recruitment.vacancies for more details. Friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel so that every Friday you can get notification of employment news, Hindi as well as in English. Indian Air Force invite men and women from Indian citizens as per Citizens Act 1955 for the post of FCAT entry, flying officer, ground duty technical, ground duty non-technical, NCC special entry, flying meteorological entry, meteorology department. University College of Medical Science, Dilsad Garden, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the post of laboratory technician, and laboratory attendant. University College of Medical Science, Dilsad Garden, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the following post purely on temporary basis: post of scientist B non-medical, post of medical scientist social worker 1, post of lab technician 1, post of data entry operator grade B. Last date of receipt this application is 18 June 2021, and of visit for more details official website DEMRE Research 2021 at the gmail.com. Serious Fraud Investigation Office. Notice for extension of last date. Category of post Senior Assistant Director Custom and Central Excise. Number of post of visit for more details official website www.sfiu.nic.in. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Name of the post Joint Advisor, Deputy Advisor. Last date of receipt applications is extended 20 June 2021. For more details visit official website www.tri.gov.in. Ministry of Culture, National Library, Kolkata. Applications are invited for young professional graduate from Library and Information Science as a LIS interns program for the year of 2021 to 2022. Ministry of Ayush. Advertisement for the post of Assistant Drug Controller Siddha, Ministry of Ayush. Application of last date 60 days from the publications. Appellate Tribunal for Electricity. Extension of last date of vacancy circulation of dated 13 May 2021. Khan Mantralaya, Ministry of Mines, Indian Bureau of Mines. Applications are invited for the 2 posts of Chief Controller of Mines. Last date of receipt 60 days of the date of publication, and visit for more details official website www.ibm.gov.in. Central Council for Research in Yoga Naturopathy. Vacancy notification. Applications are invited for eligible candidate for research officer yoga and naturopathy. Pay level 10. Last date of receipt application within 30 days. For more details visit official website www.ccry.gov.in. Jagat Guru Nanak Dev Punjab State Open University, Patiala. Refer to advertisement number 03/2021 dated 26 April 2021. Date has been extended to 3 June 2021. University College of Medical Science. Online application are invited in prescribed application for the post of reserved for PWBD LD for senior demonstration senior resident. Ministry of Home Affairs. Vacancy circulation for the filling of post of technical assistant in Department of Official Language. Ministry of Home Affairs, National Intelligence Grid, NET Grid. Vacancy circulation. Application are invited for the post of Director, Deputy Director, Secretary Banking, Deputy Secretary, Deputy Director BMS Facility, Deputy Director and Deputy Director Income Security, Compliance, Key Management, Internal Security, Compliance. Ministry of Ayush. Advertisement for the post of Assistant Drug Controller, Homeopathy, Ministry of Ayush. IREL India Limited. Applications are invited for the post of Chief Manager Technical, Manager Legal, Regular, Manager Security, Deputy General Manager. Last date of receipt application 21 June 2021. Department of Chemical and Petrochemicals. Applications are invited for the post of Director General, Central Institute of Petrochemical Engineering. For more details, please visit www.chemical.gov.in. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Vacancy for circulation of Poshan Abhiyan. Application invited for post of Executive Director to be filled. Number of post 1. For more details, please visit www.wcd.nic.in. Question paper National Defence Academy and Naval Academy Exam 1/2021 General Ability Test. How and why are cyclones named? Recruitment of Engineering Executive Trainees 2021 through GATE 2021. Discipline advertise Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics Engineering and Instrumentation Engineering. News Digest. National. Noted environmentalist and Chipko movement leader Sundarlal Bahuguna passes away at 94. PM Modi stresses on constant innovation and dynamic methods to deal with COVID-19 viruses. ICMR approves Covishield kit for purpose of home testing. Countrywide Ayush COVID-19 counseling helpline operationalized. Government asks WhatsApp to withdraw its updated privacy policy. Income Tax Department to launch new e-filing portal. International Digest. USI international effort to help secure Kabul airport after troops withdrawal. China successfully lands its rover on Mars. Common crane returns to Ireland after more than 3 centuries. Economy Digest. Money kept in various cash wallet can be withdrawn from ATM and point of sale terminals. Civic launches special GST refund disposable. Civic launch special GST refund disposal drive. Central hikes fertilizer subsidy by 140%. Government brings changes in customs rule IGCR 2017 to boost trade facilitation. Sport Digest. Sports Ministry invite application for National Sport Award. Rahul Dravid to coach Team India on Sri Lanka tour. SCI to extend medical and accident insurance cover to over 13,000 sports personnel. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel so that every Friday you can get the notification of employment news, English as well as Hindi. Nothing is impossible. The world itself says, I am possible. So friends, this was the employment news of entire week. See you next with next employment news of next week. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.